Hello guys, today I'll be doing a review on the Vantrue N5 and I'll be going through its strengths and weaknesses and what should the enter know whether or not this dashcam is worth it or not. The Vantrue N5 is a 4-channel dash camera that offers complete 360-degree coverage of your vehicle's interior and exterior. It records from the front, front cabin and rear cabin simultaneously, with the main camera using a high-quality Sony Starvis 2 sensor for excellent clarity even at night. Other premium features include voice control, supercapacitor for extreme temperature resistance, and a buffered parking mode that captures events even while your car is off. While the N5's extensive coverage is a major selling point, its complexity can be a drawback. The installation can be challenging due to the four cameras and multiple cables that need to be routed. Its parking mode, while feature-rich, has been reported by some users to drain the car's battery quickly, making it a risk for long-term parking. The front camera is also quite large, which may not be ideal for all vehicle dashboards. The Vantrue N5 is the ideal choice for rideshare and taxi drivers who need comprehensive high-resolution surveillance to protect themselves and their passengers. Its ability to record the interior, including the back seat, is a unique and valuable feature that you can use. For a standard driver who needs basic front and rear coverage, the N5's complexity, cost, and extensive features would likely be unnecessary. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.